Hello, good morning. Today, my name is Joseph Musete, a computer engineering student. This is my first year doing computer engineering. So today, I wanted to share some concept. I want us to teach some introduction of computer engineering for the new starter, for the new learners. So I want us to start with okay, I will start with the Emacs because it's a text editor designed for the operating system. Emacs theme, those are the same. It's the same. They are the same base editor available in the Linux that you can use to do your tasks. So, like me, for instance, I like using Vim because I get that Vim it's easier for me to use when tackling some tasks. So, okay, let's start one by one. Let's start with Emacs. So, what's Emacs? It's a text editor. It's a text editor. It's a text editor designed for position operating system and available on Linux. What's the use of what's the use of Emacs? Okay, use of Emacs. Okay, one. Emacs, it helps you to be productive by providing an integrated environment for many different kinds of tasks. All the desk, okay, in simple terms, it helps you to do some tasks in the web term. Later on, I'm going to discuss about WebTerm and what is it. So for now, what you need to know is what's Emacs, how to use Emacs, how to apply Emacs, and Emacs is the same as Vim. Okay, me I like using Vim. For most of my projects, I use Vim. So uses of Emacs 1, it helps you to do some tasks in the web term. Another one is all the basic editing are available. In the Emacs or Vim. It's the same thing. Emacs and Vim actually is the same thing. Okay. Emacs, okay, another one, number 3 is Emacs is text editing tool. Text editing tool that comes in the box with that comes with Linux box with it. comes to box with Linux. What does it mean? It means that this Emacs, it's something that is inside. It's something that is inside Linux. So it's available when you are going to do some tasks. So it makes for you a good environment for you to work, to do whatever you want to do in the Linux. Okay. What are the advantages of Emacs? The advantages of Linux. 1. It allows you to have several files open at once and switch among first it allows you to have several files open at once. And you can switch them off at once quickly. Another one is Emacs write checkpoint files. Every so often packs up your work in case there is a system malfunction. Okay, another one is Emacs, it packs up your work. Okay, in case let's say in case maybe you are maybe you are working on a given project, but unfortunately your computer goes off. Maybe you did not save your work, or so to pack up your work that was you were doing, you will go back to Emacs. Then you will get everything that you are working on is there. So those are the advantages of Emacs. Okay, quickly, I want us to jump to. There is very important commands that you are supposed to know as a new student, or a computer engineering student who is a new is a new learner in the computer engineering. There are very, very important commands that you need to know. Those commands will help you. For instance, when you want to open a file, when you want to close a file, when you want to work on a given task, when you want to delete a file, when you want to check what you have written in a web term, there is a command that you would type, then you will see whatever you have written in the web term for the project that you are working on. So we will start with I will start with the most important. the most important concept and commands. First, you are doing a project. So, which commands do you use to display the current path of your current directory? You want to display the current path, okay, the current work that you are doing on in a current working directory. So, which command can you use to display those current working directory? The command is called printing working directory, BWD. Important commands. Number one is printing working directory. What's the work of this command? Printing working directory is the command that you use to display the current working directory. Okay. Later on, I will teach you what's directory, what's okay, I'll teach you what's directory so you can understand it better. But for now, what you need to know is what's printing a working directory. But okay, printing working directory is the command should I use? It's a command used to display the current path for your current directory. Number two is ls. ls, list file directory. It's used to list all files of your current directory. It's simple. You need to know this command. When you are working on a given project, for example, my internet is down. I don't know whether it will open. My internet is very down. So I need to open my webcam, my sandbox. Okay, this is my sandbox. This is my sandbox. Oh, it's loading. I don't know whether it will open up. I've showed you what do we mean by ls and how do you use it. So what I can do is okay, what I can do is later on I will show you how to use this ls, list file directory. It's simple, it's not hard. So let's continue. Let's continue. So this ls is a command to use list file directory. Another one is number 3. Okay, remember these are the important concepts that you need to know, and it's the commands that you need to have in your head. Whenever you are being a computer engineering, you must, these commands you have to know them, because you are going to use all over the project that you are doing, all over the okay, even if anywhere, even if maybe you are computer Alx student, computer engineering. So these commands you have to even if you are working in anywhere, these commands you must use them. So you need to be very serious. You need to take an extra caution for this command. You need, okay, I will say it's good. Okay, I don't like climbing things, but these commands you can climb them because it will help you future alone. So the next one is cd change directory. This one is also very important. cd change directory. Change directory. This command you will use to create directory, use this command. If you want to change a directory, use this command. This also is a very important command. ls cd printing working directory. You need to have all those commands in your head. Another one is less touch. Less is used to display content of the file. Touch, okay, mostly we use these three commands most of the time. This printing working ls cd, because when you want to create a directory, you use ls cd, then printing working directory. These three is very important. So let's continue. Okay, so computer engineering, Alex, computer engineering is not difficult. What you need to know is you need to understand. You need to read. Being Alex student, you are meant to do hard things. So if you are doing hard things, you need to spend most of your time working on this one. Also trying to understand the concept, not only climbing or only copying and testing somebody's work. No, that one you will not be helped. What you can do is in many tasks, because now it's not we want to do introduction of computer engineering. So you need to know how to create your GitHub. You need to know how to create your token. You need to know how that token works. You need to know how to clone your repository. You need to know how to add your work on GitHub. You need to know how to do many things in computer engineering. So what you can do is just read and understand. That's what I could advise. Set your mindset to focus on this course. This course is not easy. It's not simple, but after you complete it, I tell you, you will be proud. It's not easy, it's difficult. Actually, it's difficult. But after you complete it, it's when you will see the fruits of your hard working. Because every day you have to spend like me, for instance, in a day I will spend like 6 hours on this course. So you need to be very serious on this course. Okay, so you have to set your mindset. Your mindset has to focus on this course. So we have done with Emacs. Earlier on I told you that Emacs do the same work. It's the same as Vim. So you can use Emacs or you can use Vim, whatever. Both are, you can, okay, you will get the same outcome even if you use Emacs or you use Vim. You will get the same thing. So for me, I like Vim. Later on I'll teach you how to use Vim, how to use Emacs. It's only that my internet is down; it cannot open. If it would open the sandbox, I'll just show you how to use Vim and how to use Emacs. I will just teach you in details. You know me, I like when I teach you, I just, okay, I teach you roughly, then I show you how to apply what I have taught you, how you can apply it on your tasks, on your projects, by doing 1-2 example. That's how I can see that I have done something reasonable for my viewers. So I think for now that's what I will leave it with you for now. But later on, I will come with another video on GitHub. I will start introduction of GitHub from the start. How to use it, how to clone, how to send your work to the GitHub, how to create your token, because you need to have a private token that you will use in your oncoming projects. So you need to have this token. You need to create your username. You need to create your password and your username. Because this section, okay, for me, when I was doing this introduction on GitHub, it gave me a very, very big challenge. But when I just understood it and mastered it, it became very simple for me. So that's why I want to help you also, so that you can have that concept and pursue. Because without this, having this GitHub knowledge, my friend, you can't manage this. Of course, you can't. You must have this concept first. Then, when you start a very difficult project, now you can be able to tackle the project very simple. Because every project you do, you need to save it in your GitHub. Okay? Because this one you cannot save it in the computer. Your GitHub is like your store. So in order to access your GitHub, you have to enter your username, your password. Also, in order to save your work in your GitHub, you need to clone your GitHub. Then, so that when you finish your work, you can send it. You can send it direct to to the GitHub. So for now, that's what I had for now. For the next video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to teach you how to use GitHub in details. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe so that when you subscribe, that's how you post me, so that I can make another video. Thank you very much.